Hey folks, today is October the 2nd. It's currently 6:54 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Bounce Trader week number 2 update review. Obviously, you guys are not seeing week 1 on here because the website was down. And so I had to work on getting that back up. But hopefully this afternoon, I'll make sure I get all the videos up on the website so we can get back to business as normal. I also have looked into creating a new website. So hopefully if things go well with that, that will be up at some point. I'm having some issues right now with the theme that I purchased. Actually, quite a few issues with the theme that I purchased. So we'll see how that works out. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump in and see how Bounce Trader did this week. See if we were able to make back some of the losses from last week. All right, as we can see here, equity curve is definitely pointing up. So that's obviously a good thing. Still down 1.12%. All right, so it looks like this week we're able to make 0.93%. Not bad at all. Definitely happy to see that. And it looks like we closed out September down 2.27%. And let's see here, October. It's only been 2 days into October, but we're obviously up 1.18%. So definitely happy to see that. First day of the week was right here. And actually, I'm going to wait and go over the trades until we take a look at the MT4 account. All right, but definitely happy to see that we were able to make a profit this week. And we have to remember that with this EA, our profit targets are going to be larger than our stops. So even if we take more losses at the end of the day, hopefully we should still be profitable with this expert advisor. All right, before we jump into the MT4, this was non-farm payroll week, and we didn't really have much to worry about until Thursday. We had ISM manufacturing PMI, and Friday, of course, we had non-farm payroll, which was at 8:30 in the morning. All right, so let's go ahead and take a quick peek here and see how we did this week. All right, so as you guys can see here, this was where we got started. This was where we got started. That was our first trade of the week, it looks like. And obviously that was a loser, minus $14.80. And as you can see here, we had one small win there, another small win. And these are most likely from our trailing stop. And actually, let's take a look at that. You can see this right here. This trade was right here. This was a short. We're expecting the market to go down. We took the trade right here. And as you can see, we took a 13 pip stop. So whatever our original profit target or whatever our original stop was, it was definitely cut significantly. And we can come here. And where's that? All right, and you can see this is where we entered the trade. And you can see this little red line right here is where they brought our stop loss up. So the trailing stop was brought up and we were taken out right here on this pullback. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the next one. This was another buy trade. All right, let's see where this one stands here. Here it is. All right, so it looks like we got in right here. You can see the stop, this red line right there. Make this a little bigger so you guys can see it better. All right, there we go. All right, so you can see that little red line right there. All right, this was a buy trade, and obviously market went up 23 pips in our direction, and then went up 43 pips in our direction. All right, and then it just kind of went sideways. And as you guys can see, for whatever reason, I don't know the reasons why the EA does what it does. On this instance, as you guys can see, they moved the stop up at this point. Or yeah, they moved the stop up and it looks like it took us out right here. All right, so they basically tried to lock in profits is what it looks like. And the market came back down, touched it, and took us out of the trade. Unfortunately, as you guys can see, look at that. 81 pip move was right around the corner, literally the very next bar. And we would have definitely hit our profit target. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this next trade. And you can see on this one, our profit target was hit. Let's go ahead and take a look at that trade. And this one was another buy. All right, so we got in here. Market went against us a bit. Then the market came back. You can see we had this nice big up bar. And this was our profit target right here. As you can see, market went directly up to it. Actually just barely touched it. Got us out of the trade on this wick. And that gave us this really nice winning trade right here. And as you guys have seen, so far our losses have definitely been overall smaller, on the smaller side here. We did have this one right here, a $35 loss and a $68 loss. But as I've stated, in the big picture, our winners should definitely be much larger than our losses here. All right, not a lot to go over with this one. Hopefully it will continue to do well. Or actually, at this point, hopefully it'll get us back into profit. And we'll just take things slow, give it another 2 weeks here and see how things go. All right, if you guys have any questions on Bounce Trader, send them my way. And if you guys want to test it out for yourself, make sure you use the link below. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.